welcome back to Sharing with Serena. Today I will explain the pros and cons of embedding or not embedding on your YouTube channel and my personal experience and what you need to do to contact YouTube if you are a small channel. Hi, my name is Serena. Many people on YouTube recommend that you should enable embedding on your video, especially for a smaller channel. What does it mean? Embedding is to allow other people to share your video on their websites and all over the world. This is a beautiful concept. The advantages of this is that it can help your channel grow because your content can be seen on the internet where people don't go to YouTube or don't have YouTube. But doing this may not help your channel either, which I will explain later. Let me sign in to my YouTube account. Oh, I already signed in. Click on YouTube Studio. Click on the play button to see all of your videos. Click on a specific video so that you can see the more options. Click on that, scroll to the bottom, and you will see the embedded checkbox. Yes, you can check the box or not, embedded for each video separately. If you check this box, you will allow people to share your videos. Now, people can embed your videos on their website. Cool, right? Oh, by the way, I love to share. That's why I'm making this video on YouTube and it's valuable on the internet. Even I am a small channel. However, if someone decides to take all my videos and put them on their website, embedding won't help me, especially if you are a small channel that doesn't have many subscribers. Not only do they use my videos, but they just copy my YouTube channel page and each of my videos comments to their website. Here's my website. And I found this Korean site on the Google search engine. I don't speak or read the language, but when I click on the other tabs, there are many videos from famous Korean shows and stars. With further investigation, it seems that this site has a bot, an automatic program that does a task, usually to search and obtain stuff, that copies every video and channel uploaded to YouTube. So I went on to Facebook asking someone to help me to send an email to the site because I believe that there may not be malicious intent in uploading all these videos. Oh, thank you, my friends, for helping me send the text to the site. However, nothing has happened as of yet, and I couldn't contact you too. Thank you to Rob Wilson, and here is his website. He suggested that you should tweet them. So, first you have to have a Twitter account. Oh, by the way, I never have a Twitter account, but now I do. Welcome to the new era. I was surprised that the team gets back to me right away. Here is my tweet, and this is their tweet. I think I have to go to this link. I just have to really read all this stuff. Lordy. I'm drawn to this website because it has its own commenting, liking, and download system. Separate from the YouTube video embed. Legally, when you allow video embedding, a website can post your video on their website as a sharing thing. Therefore, a channel can get more exposure and hopefully gain an audience that may want to watch and support them. What this site does follow the legal term of sharing and embed video on their website. There are a few suspicious things that stand out. As of July 23, 2020, this site still have my YouTube name, logo, channel art, description, and people comments. I will say it again. I don't mind website or people showing my YouTube videos on their website, but this site seems to want to emulate a video sharing platform that I'm not on, by the way, and can take some of my limited audience away from me if someone doesn't know any better. And as a small YouTuber knows, every like and subscribe counts to help them grow if they want to do this as a living. To respect other YouTubers, I use a YouTube link so that people can get the credit or give them a shout out for their hard work and thank them. I think this is a good attitude to have. So if you check to allow embedding, your content can and will be stolen. To fix this, you have to go through each of your videos to uncheck this box. This is so frustrating. If this happened to you, leave a comment on how you felt about it or how you resolve it and what YouTube/Google should do. Hopefully, YouTube/Google will have some ways to help small YouTubers or further develop their rules on how much a person can share your videos and how to engage in the YouTube community. This is your first time to my channel and you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and click on the bell so that way you will not miss my next upload. For my fellow small creators, don't let this deter you from creating videos. Just uncheck the embedding box to protect your videos if you want to. But know what you're doing if you do so. And I will wait for YouTube or Google to try and address this problem and update later. Oh, also, thank you to Nick, and this is his channel. He suggested that the YouTube community should switch to Streamlabs OBS, especially if you're a streamer. I'm not, but I love Streamlabs OBS. And this is my first time doing so. Sorry for the clumsiness. Thank you for watching the entire video. I see you next time. Bye-bye.